Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new video with Angelina, and for today she is creating this pop art look for us. So if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. To start out this makeup, Angelina is first creating the eye makeup on the part that won't be the pop art part. So this is just a regular beauty makeup with a few different shades of eyeshadow. I will put all the colors used in the description box down below. Might you want to have these beautiful colors, you can check them out in the description box. So it is pink. It is purple, a lovely, nice, light eyelid with a few glitters on there as well, of course. Also a nice shadow under the eye, an eyeliner, and then we continue to the pop art bit of this makeup. So Angelina is creating a black line over her face as the guideline of where the makeup will be. And then with a very full coverage foundation, Angelina is filling out the entire pop art side of her face. So this foundation is by Meron. I will put that in the description box down below as well. But just create the entire bit with the same foundation and don't forget to set it with a setting powder. Once the complete pop art side is covered, we continue to this white line. And of course we also need some lovely pop art lips, and Angelina chose a pink lipstick to create that with. So of course a pop art makeup needs those black lines, and Angelina is putting them on the nose and on her mouth, or around her mouth that is. A nice black eyebrow, and the outside of her face is painted black as well because she is gonna glue a piece of paper on there. And to cover the rest, the outside of her face is black. So a few extra lines for the shadows and a few wrinkles as well. Then the pop art tears made with light blue face paint. There will be 2 tears, and don't forget to outline those with black face paint as well. A nice black eyeliner, and then we continue to a powder. This is one of the star blends by Meron, and by just putting a light shadow on the outside of the pop art look, you can get a 3-dimensional effect. So it looks like the piece of pop art is really placed on the skin. This is the sheet of paper that Angelina prepared for her makeup today, and as you can see, the letters are in reverse because Angelina was thinking of filming with a phone, in which of course letters are reversed, but this is filmed with a camera, so she could just have put those letters on normally. But well, this is the look. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope to see you back next time.